Hi guys, this is Bhaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And as part of this video, we are going to see how we are going to install DAX Studio. Because in earlier we have seen how to install the Power BI, but this one will be useful for when we are writing queries, just to test it very fast rather than using a Power BI there. So this one will help you to do achieve that, and it's very handy also if you want to write a complex queries and analyze it. For practice purpose also, this one will be useful. Um, so we can just log into the DAX Studio here, and you'll be able to see the latest version for the installers. Just click on that. Here they have given the steps of how the DAX query looks and how can we connect to the SQL, how can we connect to the various data sources. Um, okay, I'm just installing it. I accept all the license agreement. Next. This is a path where it gets stored. Next. Next. Just click on the next options button. That will click finish, launch it. It's quite very fast. So these are the connections which we need to give there. So I don't have it as of now, so I'll kind of uh, connect it later. So this is how the UI looks here. Okay, there are various options for this studio. So to understand what this functionalities we have it in the UI, we can just again go through this pen. Actually, this documentations inherits all the functionalities that has been provided by the DAX Studio. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel. In the next video, I'm going to cover about how to use these DAX queries in this and load the data, and I'll show you all those other options as well. Okay, thank you.